Actually, hold on. Alright, that right there. Let's go, because it can't get wet. Hold on. It's gonna clear. Alright. Yeah. And we back at it again, y'all, with Shotgun Sundays. As you can see, daylight savings time is hidden as the big one. Oh, now, okay? Cowboys had an earlier game, not even an 8 o'clock game. It was 4 o'clock, and it's this dark out here. So, Dak not playing. We not even want to talk about that. We not even want to talk about it. So, go ahead, baby, let's do it. And we won Thursday, so free this game all day. All right, it's trying to rain. All right, I hope these not too frozen. Oh, God. All right. Turn this way. All right. Ooh, damn. We're all wet. Move over a little bit so I can get in the pop. Oh, shit. My baby ass home. Shout out to the guy. I watched him do a couple shotguns. That way it wouldn't work. Do it, babe. Get it, babe. Oh, yeah. And that's the bottom line. That's what, babe. Cause Lana be said so. Period. I feel like I've been losing shotgun Sunday since I broke my finger. And the rain is coming down right now, so we about to hit it for one, okay? Thank you for tapping back in with the girls, with the gang on three. Hit that shit. 1, 2, 3. And we gotta go. It's pouring, yo.
This is ridiculous. And the cat about to run out the house. It's pouring down, raining. I'm seeing some dirt, doo-doo, boot, nasty boot. Ugh.